Hey guys, welcome back to most frequently asked question for API testing series. So next question and most frequently and most repeated questions, what is an HTTP status code? So HTTP status code, if we will go for the list, we have a many, but we can discuss some important things. You can search on the Google also, will get the complete list for that, but mostly they will ask your success status code, a success one. So we have a 200 series for the success. So what is this status code? This is a 3-digit number sent by the server in the response to the client request to meet the server, right? So you can see we have a 200 series, so we have a success one. So you can see here, so first, important validation what we are doing here, right? So in the 200 series, again we have a many things like 200, okay, then we have a 201 created. So just we can check our spec doc, so what the value it is returning, means what types of the status code it's returning. To 202 expected, 9204 no content. Then these are the success series, and now we have a client error. Okay, so we have a 4 not. So suppose if you are doing some mistakes here, right? I'm doing some mistakes here. If I will click on send, and you can see here I am getting 4 not 4 error. So I have done some mistakes, I'm sending the wrong endpoint, right? So it's returning 4 not 4 not found. Okay, you can see it's not found, request resource not found. Okay, so this is the one, and I'm just doing some mistake. So we need to take care positive scenario and negative scenario, so these all the validations are also important. I'm doing here mistake something, so you can see we are getting bad request. So it's showing work object is missing. Understood, right? So these are the negative scenario we need to also validate. So you can see now we have a client side error. So bad request, the server could not understand the request due to invalid syntax. 401, so we have unauthorized. So you can see here, if I will go in the header part, right? So we have an API key. If you will not use this API key and if you will send the request, you will get 401 unauthorized, right? So authentication API key event required. Understood, right? So these are the client side mistakes or error we have, right? So now we have another one is 403. The client does not have a permission to access the requested resources. So not found, I have already shown you the requested resources could not found on the server. So we have another 405 method not allowed, then request timeout. So these are from the client side error or error code we have, and we have a 500 series which is from the server side. So these all the problems, means these are the error is coming from the server side, that we are sending the request, right? So you are using make my trip, you are sending the request, but you are getting the error 500, means this issue is from the server side. Okay, so server so 500 internal server error. So the server encountered unexpected condition and prevented it from the fulfilling the request. So 401 not implemented, the server does not recognize the request method or lack of ability of fulfill. So I don't have a handy practical example. Okay, sometime we'll make this in the coming session some practical, and I'll show you this all this, but few of them I have already shown you. But yeah, this is important for your interview. These series you have to just you have to remember this. 402 bad gateway, the server while acting the gateway or proxy receive invalid response from the upstream server. And 403 service unavailable, so the server is not ready to handle the request and usually due to maintenance and overloading. And now 504, so gateway timeout, the server acting as a gateway did not receive timely response from a stream. Okay, so these are the most frequently, many other series are there, but these are the most frequently asked question which is already asked many times. So just keep this notes, keep this a screenshot, and read and understand, and you can try to give the answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new in the channel, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.